Hey traders, my name's Logan and I love trading. For me to forecast tomorrow, let me remind you of yesterday and then show you how today responded. Yesterday, the bears got control of liquidity right through the first hour or two of the day. They positioned themselves perfectly to have the opportunity to control structure today, Monday. We were left asking, could the bears sell off liquidity and get control of the market structure today, Monday? Let me show you how that worked out on the charts, and then I can show you what I see coming up tomorrow. Now the first chart to look at here, as always, is tension, and you could see the bears were successful. They kept this down all day. That puts us into a bearish trending structure, and this is day one. In a bearish trending structure, the market actively seeks out the bears to see if they're active and if they can continue to control structure. Let's look at what the trend traders were doing. Right through the open, there was a bearish sample right here, and tension, well, they were able to impact that broad market structure. They had control right at the open of the market. This pushed down into what I call a risk reduction low. It's a little less appealing than buying up liquidity, but it gets the bull's foot in the door, and that's what matters. That foot pushed the market up until we got right here and things got interesting. They couldn't find the proper volume, and then when they finally did, the bears didn't sell it off. The bears got pushed aside and then stepped aside. They stepped out of the market. Let's look at tension to see if they could impact it. No, they couldn't. Right there. So this just continued up and the bears got pushed out. Let's continue. There was bulls right here, and they bought up that liquidity. Looking at tension, they impacted the broad market structure. The bulls gained control, pushed the bears out. The bears stepped aside and were able to drive tension up closer to zero into the close. So tomorrow, I expect the bulls to continue that behavior, to get it up to zero and attempt to get this through and set themselves up to control the trend by Wednesday. Now, if the bears show up, they could keep this down through the day and continue that structure. But the bears will need to show up. They'll need to not do this. They'll need to do this, sell off liquidity, and these bears, they're going to have to push the bulls out of the way in order to pull this off, since the bulls are active and able to control the market. So going into tomorrow, I will be bullish. The bulls had control of liquidity last. The bears got pushed aside. They stepped aside. They stopped impacting the market. The bears moved out of the way. So I will be bullish. But we do have that bearish structure in place, so I will be watching to see if the bears can step up their game tomorrow morning. If they don't show me, I'll just expect they're not going to. So I will be bullish. Now remember, that doesn't mean I'm long. It means I'm thinking like a bull. I'm looking for opportunities to take advantage of this situation in front of us. Now, if you like this kind of analysis and you want to see it in real time with better depth and better explanations, shoot me a message. I'll invite you to my Discord. We have a great community. I'd love to have you. Just shoot me a message. I'll invite you. Thank you for watching this video. I put these out every day to try and provide an easy, reliable narrative for the market for all types of traders. I hope it helped you in some way. And as always, good luck trading.